We're looking at Micron here on the weekly chart, just taking off in here today. $31 move to the upside, up around almost 10%. We're trading above 343. We had a high in here of 344 on the day. And we're trading in those 340 handles right now. We're going to see if that's going to continue tomorrow, or are we going to get a little bit of consolidation, take a little breather from this huge move that we just had in here today. Now, with a huge move that we had in so quickly, we went to the upside in here. Our volatility actually expanded. So our IV rank is sitting at 47. So now your expected move has grown to around $16 by this Friday. And it looks like $27 by next Friday is what everybody is pricing in. So we're going to see how that affects things here. Basically, the last 3 weeks in Micron just shooting straight up for us in here. You can see we ran far away from our 9-day EMA. We're sitting above the Bollinger Band now. So going forward, as far as resistances, what are we looking at? Nice whole numbers until the chart tells us otherwise. So 350, 355, 360, you guys are all up on deck next. If we're pulling back here to the downside, we're going to be looking at that upper Bollinger Band, which is going to be 331. Below there, 313. And then we're looking at this previous upper trend line, which is at 306. And then obviously that 9-day EMA sitting down here right around that 237 area. So we're going to see what happens to our IV tomorrow. We're going to see what kind of contraction we do get. We're going to see if the skews change any tomorrow. And overall, we're just going to keep an eye on Micron, looking for a little bit of consolidation, overextension in here, probably because our RSI is up at 80. So we're basically extremely overbought now. So let's see if we do kind of consolidate here for a little while. And if we do get a pullback, how big of a pullback and how sharply will it pull back? And then are we going to recover from it quickly or not? Those are all things we're going to keep in mind as we're looking at this. But all in all, a good liquidity in here, good IV. Definitely going to take advantage of that as we continue out throughout the week. So again, we're looking at 350, 355, 360 on the downside, 331, 313, and 306. So let's see what happens in here on a $16 expected move priced in Micron by the end of the week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.